So once again, I welcome you all and to class 10th B, and I expect that more students are going to join very soon. I think so by the end of the class. So let me see. And my question to everyone is, do you all remember the story of the hack driver? Now all are going to Google each other, right? Google is karna shuru ho gaya.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know the story, but not the name of the persons. Like,
Acha. You know the story, Shreyansh?
yes, ma'am.
So in the meanwhile, I give this job to Molly and Rakshita. They both are going to find out the main characters of this particular story and they will give me the character sketch. Shreyansh, you please start the summary.
Ma'am, there was a three person. One was person who one was a thief. One was the driver of the ma'am. What we say that bullock cart, ma'am.
Hack
Not
driver.
Driver.
and one was the who is catching the thief. The person I don't know name. So
Oliver Lutkins.
Then let him
uh,
speak now. Harshit, chup. If you are speaking, then you will only speak. Let him speak.
so ma'am, they wait 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, the driver means the catcher who catch the thief. He wants to catch the thief, so he's finding here and there. But once one bullock cart or one person came and he asked that you saw this thief. So he said, I know this thief. So mm, ma'am, he said, you come with me and I will go leave to that leave. I will, ma'am, I will leave to that thief. So he seated in the hack driver. So then when he seated, so first he came to the shop of uh, Mm, first he came to shop of any shop and he asked, so he said go away, he is there. Then he wait for the food. When he eat, when he eat in the hill, he said there is a मैम वो थोड़ा बड़ी वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा मैम he said to
You
to
go on, go on. I will not interrupt you in between. You speak.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, he said the driver, so can you will lunch with me? So he said okay. So they were go to the hill and lunch there, lunch there.
Let
Then then in last,
Shreyansh,
yes, ma'am.
Shreyansh. I can understand that you are having a nice knowledge about the story, but don't you think so that the tense is like I feel like you
Advertisement.
have, everything you have put into the dustbin and you are just
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are just crushing it like this. Don't you feel like बेटा
Yes,
कहाँ पे was, कहाँ पे were, कहाँ पे will, past tense की बात हो रही है, future tense को ले आ रही हूँ. आराम से बोलो. Speak slowly, steadily, and how you are saying the story. I don't want anything like you are running. Relax. No one else is able to understand. Right, Shreyansh? Are you
yes, ma'am.
getting me what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now pull down. Pull down. Gaurav, Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
the main character of the story.
Ma'am, main character Oliver Lutkins and Bill Bison.
Fine. Now, if I ask you if I give one statement, give the critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkins. What do you mean by this particular statement? Do you know what do you mean by critical appreciation?
No, ma'am.
Because this type of statement will come in the board examination. Critical appreciation means the writer has placed the character in the story with some motive. किसी कारणवश उस आदमी को उस कहानी में रखा गया है. There is a reason behind it, right? And he is performing his role and his character. Now, after understanding the character of that person, what is your critical appreciation? आपकी सोच उस particular character पे कैसे उतरती है? Whether it is a negative, whether it is a positive. This type of statement will come in the board examination. Questions घुमा के आएंगे. Question answer will be the same, but the thing, the representation of the answer will be different. Now you got what do you mean by critical appreciation, Gaurav? And all the students in the class.
Yes, ma'am. It simply means the character sketch.
Not the character sketch, Harshit. Character sketch.
Ma'am is saying our views towards the story.
Not towards the story, towards the character. If I'm asking, describe Oliver Lutkins in as a critical, give a critical appreciation. मैं ऐसा बोलूँगी, give a critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkins in Hack Driver. Are you all getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
मेरे क्वेश्चन ऐसे घूम के आएंगे, बूमेरैंग बन ऐसे घूम के, ठीक है? Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So now, if I tell you to frame the answer, who can do that? I expect some of the girls also. We have girls in the class. Sonal is there, Rakshita is there, Molly is there, Gitika is there. Yes, any one of you? Gaurav, I know. Just wait. Let me see if any one of the girls come up. I just want ideas. I know you can't frame it up 100% because this question is totally new to you. Isn't it? I said that give the critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkins in the story of The Hack Driver. Any one of you? Children, any one of you, I said. Girls, this isn't it too much? When a teacher is calling you all, you're not even answering. If you don't know, at least switch on the mic and say, ma'am, I don't know the answer. I will accept it. Gitika, Harshita, Sonal. Okay, Gaurav, continue with your answer. Sonal,
Ma'am, about whom? Ma'am, about Oliver Lutkins?
Yes, beta. Oliver Lutkins in the story give a critical appreciation, right? No, I will, if you, after your answer, I will tell that how to frame the answer in a correct manner so that the things will be crystal clear for everyone. Yes, Harshita. Yes, start, Gaurav. Gaurav, you can start.
Ma'am, Oliver Lutkins was the lawyer who was sent to the village for finding out Bill Magnuson because he was an victim to the court, and he should at least have a little bit knowledge that who is Bill Magnuson and how does he look. He just came without any knowledge to the village, and because of that he was made fool by Bill Magnuson.
Shall I
ये तो सिंक्लेयर लुइस का कैरेक्टर स्केच था.
Shall I speak or how to frame the answer? Shall I tell you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, when I am saying that you have to give a critical appreciation of the character Oliver Lutkins. Now, before you frame the answer, beta, we have to make a rough draft. Abhi ye practice ka time hai, you have to make a rough draft. What is the rough draft? That you will introduce the character. First 2-3 lines will be, you will introduce the character as Oliver Lutkins in Hack Driver. His main character means किस तरीके का person है वो, that you will describe. Then his character sketch, hardly 3-4 lines of his character sketch, पूरा नहीं. Then after that it will be nearby 50 to 60 words in all. ठीक है? Then in the ending you will cover up the whole question that what do you feel the character of Oliver Lutkins in the story. आपको क्या फील होता है, आपकी क्या सोच है, आई बात समझ में है ना? What is your view? What is your thought? So now can anyone frame the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, try.
Ma'am, Oliver Lutkins was a very frank and free, and he was a fine talker.
Harshit, first of all, introduce the character in the story. Who is Oliver Lutkin?
Oliver Lutkins was a thief who has to serve summons.
Exactly. Now you got my point. Now next.
And he took the role of hack driver in the story to save himself.
Now the character sketch. Now 3-4 lines of his character sketch.
The hack driver was a fine talker, and he was very frank and free.
His
He
nature.
robbed the.
Ashit, आप बोलेंगे his nature was.
Okay.
Now.
His nature was very frank and free, and he also robbed the narrator Sinclair Lewis by charging $2 an hour.
Then
he was a very dishonest person, as the incident shown.
But I'm feeling that still there is a confusion of character sketch. ऐसा है क्या?
Ma'am, can you show in board for format?
Today I don't have. Tomorrow I have class. We will do one thing. Please WhatsApp me and keep it. I will show you how to write the character sketch. Okay.
And ma'am, you give a very
Sample.
no ma'am, you give question like a very twisted one, so we can solve and practice. Can you give?
Sure. Tomorrow I will give these twisted questions only. Tomorrow I won't be giving the sample paper.
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you all some long question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please WhatsApp me and keep it now only. Ma'am, please give us twisted long questions for practice. है ना? Clear? Gaurav, you want to ask me something?
Now can I again try?
Beta?
Ma'am, can I again try that answer?
Sure. If you can, please.
Ma'am, Oliver. Ma'am, 1 minute. Yeah. Ma'am, Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness for the court, and the lawyer who was the narrator.
Gaurav, I'm sorry. But first of all, introduce the character in the story. Who is Oliver Lutkin? If you are talking about me, Debachna Roy, so who is Debachna Roy in VJV? Right? So first of all, introduce the character.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness in court with some cases, he used to live in a small town named Mullen. He was a very dishonest man who was in a who has taken debt from many people in that small town. And in the town where he used to live was a very dull town with very unclean situation and unhygienic situation. One day, Oliver Lutkins was standing on the platform as a hack driver, and there the narrator came, and as a narrator went to him and he asked about Oliver Lutkins, and he himself started telling wrong thing, started telling him that Oliver Lutkins is a very bad man, that he has owed debt to many people, and he told that I have seen him now only, that he went out of the station.
I'm sorry again. You all are not getting the character sketch. Beta, we are the third person, we are the first person, and we will be talking about the third person. मैं बात कर रही हूँ, you are talking to me, I'm the first person, you are the second person, and we are talking about the third person. So when we are talking about the third person, that means we will say that Lutkin was having a character of disrespect. Lutkin was of this type of nature. His nature brought a drastic change in the story. His करके बात करेंगे. Right? We will talk about it. We will not describe the scene. We will not describe the scene. 11th, 12th में ऐसे बड़े-बड़े answers आएंगे. So please try to understand how to frame the answer. Gaurav, मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will talk about like that particular character. I am talking to you all, but the character will be the third person who is there in the story. I don't want any kind of summary. I want that you have to describe that particular character of the story. ये सीख जाओ.
Ma'am, it is only, it not go with one page or only 4-5 lines. Characters.
Answer will be of 5 marks. This type of questions are of 5 marks, right? So minimum you have just think about how will you frame the answer.
No, ma'am. You will saying that we have to frame sentence here. So how much line we can write?
Beta, he is in the sense I am talking about. We will frame the sentence as the third person. अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, if I am talking to you all, so if I am talking about, for example, I am talking about Gaurav. So I am talking to Shreyans about Gaurav. The Gaurav was a character in VJV. He was studying in class 10. He was a naughty and a cute child, but always too much talkative by nature. So I am talking about his character. अब आई बात में अब बात समझ में आई. I will not say that one day Gaurav and Shreyans were fighting in the class. The day happened when the teacher entered, but Gaurav was not keeping quiet. I don't want to describe the scene. I want the character. आया समझ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now will you try once again? Last time. Will you try? गौरव चुप हो गया. गौरव.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Framing answer.
अच्छा कर लो, लिख लो. Anyone else is there in my class today? Punya is there? Punya, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, you have locked your mouth.
No, ma'am.
So please speak out. Anyone would like to speak? 3 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, Oliver Lutkins was a very clever man, and being clever, he was dishonest. And Oliver Lutkins live in a small town named Newmullen.
Hmm.
Oliver Lutkins has hidden his identification.
Again. Don't say Oliver Lutkin again and again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he hide his identification uh, throughout the day. He was with the narrator. With the narrator.
Chalo, at least today you all write this particular character, write the question in your copy, give the critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkins in the hack driver. ये आंसर मुझे आज चाहिए.
Sir, ma'am, can you once speak the answer?
I will speak the answer.
Ma'am, he means to say, please, can you please explain the
Say
answer?
the answer, ma'am. Sorry.
I understood beta. I know what students try to say. मैंने जानबूझ के टोका उसको.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Time is over now. Surely, we will do it in the class. It will be really better if it is a one-to-one interaction when the class will go on. Tomorrow, I will give you 10 questions, 10 long questions, clear? And that you have to solve it. This type
Yes,
of
ma'am.
घुमा के questions दूंगी मैं आपको. Clear? Will it be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And please
Yes,
be
ma'am.
honest and genuine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Be
ma'am.
honest and genuine.
Yes, ma'am.
मत करना. ठीक है?
What मत करना?
Google this.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Okay, beta. Bye. See you. Tata.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.